Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today I'm here with this facial kit of Just Me, and we will be talking about this product, how is it and how will you use the Just Me product. It is facial glow kit. So now we all know about, if you don't know about Just Me, so I will give some basic idea that we know about Shahnaz Hussain, who has a very great name in Ayurveda. So yes, she has launched this Just Me, as you can see her photograph over it, and she is known for the Ayurveda and Ayurvedic products. So before starting, there are some steps over it, like first of all there is a face wash, then scrub, then nourishing cream, mixed fruit face pack, and rose jasmine moisturizer. So I have heard with some girls, they always talk me like, we don't require these kind of things, these are unnecessary. So this video would be very helpful for all the girls, women, and also for men, because they all have their wife, their daughter, their mother, and so many females. So yes, because whenever, if you are living in city and you can see the pollution over there, and many times your skin repairs, so it leaves out the dead skin cells, how will you handle over them, how you will cover it? So just because for that you need to take care of your skin a lot. So yes, it is mandatory to face wash, to scrub, to face pack, and everything I will be talking about one by one. So first of all, there is given this Just Me product, and as you can see, Just Me neem aloe vera face wash. As we know, aloe vera is very beneficial for our skin, as it cures the pimple and also moisturize our skin. And this is the first step. What you will be doing, first of all, you will wash your face by this aloe vera gel. Okay, because whenever you come out from the any place, so there would be dust on your skin, so it will remove your dust first of all. And after that, there is the second step, which is, I will show you. This is scrub, honey walnut scrub. Okay, so honey walnut scrub, what does scrub do? As if we have our dead skin cells, it always exfoliate, and it just removes your dead skin cells from your skin, from your face. And this is the step number 2. As you have washed your face, after that you will apply this scrub. Okay, scrub honey walnut is basically, it removes the dirt from your skin, and it also lightens your skin color, and as it makes your skin very brighter. After using this scrub, you will leave it until it gets dry. It can be after 2 minutes, 3 minutes, how much you want to do. And always remember, just when are you scrubbing your face, do it very warmly, do it very softly, not very harshly. And then after making it dry, you will remove the layer of the scrub from your face, and after that you will be, after waiting 2 minutes, 1 minute, you will be going for another process, which is third process. Okay, so this is nourishing cream, and it is of dates and basil. So basil, it contains ayurvedic things, and also date contains some vitamins which are so much important for your skin. So you will nourish your skin by it, and you will use little bit of water while you are using nourishing cream. This is step number 3. After washing your scrub, you will use this step number 3, which is nourishing cream. Okay, then you will apply it for 2 minutes and 3 minutes. After that, you will go for the another process, which is the fourth one, which is face pack. So this is the face pack, and it is made up of mixed fruit. As we know how much important guava is for our face, and apple. We have heard about many products which are made up of fruits, so we know about it contains mixed fruit, as there is written. And you will apply, after applying nourishing cream, you will be using this face pack. You will use this face pack very gently on your skin. After After 4-5 minutes, as it gets dry, you will wash your face. And yes, this is near the end of this face pack and this facial kit. And at the end, you will apply this moisturizer, which is rose jasmine. And what we can say about rose, it is very beneficial for skin. Rose water we use, and if we have any pimple, and rose water we also use as a toner, guys. So yes, it contains rose water and jasmine. And this is the step number 5, and this is the end. You need to just follow these 5 steps: first, second, third, fourth, and fifth step. So yes, Shahnaz Hussein's this moisturizer, it will, at the end you will just take it, some little of the moisturizer, and you will apply it on your face and wait for some minutes. And this was the this was the facial glow kit, and we have completed with our 5 steps. And I have used it twice and thrice. You can use this product and you can try whether it suits your skin or not, but this is the processor and this how you will use it. I hope you all like it. Thank you.